Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Cookie Run Kingdom error code 50000. As per our research, the error comes when players try to launch the game. Many users shared that they received this error when connected to a school or public Wi-Fi. Others said it happens while trying to open the game on mobile devices. According to our research, this error is related to network restrictions or temporary server-side issues. First, if you are connected over your school, work or any public Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and check for the error. If the error still comes, then check for any available updates for the game, and if there is one, install it and then launch the game. If you still get the error, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot or cellular data and check for the error. If the error still continues, then try using a VPN if you have access to one. Once connected over the VPN, try launching the game and see if the error is resolved. If you still get the error, then visit the Cookie Run Kingdom official social media account or their Discord server to check if there are any announcements related to server issues or an outage. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.